Hello everyone, my name is Khánh Quỳnh. I'm 10 years old. I come from Nghệ province, and today I would like to talk about how to make a snowstorm in a jar. It is a fun and easy science activities. You can do it at home with some simple materials. First, you need a jar, baby oil, water, glitter, a calculator tablet, and white paint. Then we filled the jars mostly with baby oil. Then we mix water and white paint, and we pour it into a jar. And after that, we will add some glitter to make it look like a snow in a jar. Okay, next we will break on a calculator tablet, drop it into a jar, and then after that, when the tablet wet into water, you will see the glitters, and it make look like a snowstorm inside the jar. And then we'll put glitter. Oh, really? Nikki, what did you think about it?
Wow, this is beautiful!
Thank you for listening. I hope you will make it at home. Our snowstorm inside jar like me too. Thank you for listening. Do you think my snowstorm in the jar is great?
Jenny, this is beautiful!
Yes, I think it too.
Wow, this is a beautiful color.
Me too. Wow, amazing! Amazing snowstorm!
Wow, this is amazing too.
The snowstorm is inside jar. Amazing thing.
Wow!
And goodbye, see you later.